Let's talk about how to use the Cognitive Strategy Guide. Now, Ready to Learn focuses on some learning to learn skills. There's about 17 to 25 learning to learn skills that are used throughout all of the units. And there's one Cognitive Strategy Guide that teaches what those learning to learn skills are and provides further explanation for how to teach them. Now, you can find that Cognitive Strategy Guide in your resources. It's one of the landscape forms of the resource, and you can look right here in that bottom left hand corner on the print resources to tell that you're in that particular resource. Now, there's only one Cognitive Strategy Guide for the entire curriculum, and different units refer to different learning to learn resources in that curriculum. Now, when you're in the slides, you will see a little brain in the top corner of the slide deck. That indicates that it's a learning to learn resource. Right here, for example, there's a little blue brain. This means that when you're teaching this skill on this particular slide, if you refer to that Cognitive Strategy Guide, they'll provide more explanation about how to use that particular learning to learn skill. An important thing to note is that the very first time that a learning to learn strategy is introduced into the curriculum, there will be a step-by-step guidance or a scaffold of teaching that strategy in the slide deck. However, the next time that strategy is used in the curriculum, it will simply have that reference, that cue to the Cognitive Strategy Guide, and then you will want to refer to the strategy guide if you need help with those step-by-step instructions. Again, first time it's introduced, it'll provide that step by step, but the next time that you introduce or next time that you see that in the curriculum, it's only going to refer to the Cognitive Strategy Guide. That's really important if you're using the units out of sequence, because if you're not familiar with this particular strategy because you didn't necessarily use the unit before, this will really help you dig in and teach that strategy with more depth. Now, of course, all of the cognitive strategies in the curriculum are what we call training wheel strategies, which are just those strategies that many learners foundationally are missing in their education and that they really need in order to become effective learners. Good luck with those cognitive strategy resources. Reach out with any questions you have.